Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Dear brothers, sisters, friends, and beloved ones, life feels so beautiful when I look around and see the love of my friends, the prayers of my relatives, the care of my sisters, the bond of my brothers, and the friendship all of you, my freshers, people at home and abroad. This page is not just mine, it is ours. It is a place of love, laughter, and memories. Every like, every comment, every share, and every follow is not just a click, it is a gift of your heart to me. I invite you all, my family, my brothers and sisters, my dearest friend, near and far, to stay connected here. Together we can spread joy, romance, and sweet moments of life. Let this space be our garden of love, where every flower blooms with your support. Please keep me in your prayers, keep blessing this journey, and let us walk hand in hand, heart to heart, with endless love and gratitude. Ibrahim Khalil. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.